As reported, about 11 million metric tons or 8 million tons of plastic waste and pollution enters the world's oceans every year. Apart from that, came from the items that usually we can recycle. We are focusing on how to utilize the plastic waste that can be recycled, for such instance bottle plastic. Our company finally has came out with innovation of creating a machine that can convert a recycled items to another items with the same material. The concept that we use for this machine is a 3D printing. Can you imagine how much reduction of waste items that we could make? It required amount of 100,000 ringgit to build this 3D printing machine and expected to get profit until 650,000 ringgit. Our target investors for this project are the government, since we want to put these machines at a public spot so that it would be easier for people to use it. Other than go to recycle center, people can get benefit from these machines as well. We believe that this innovation could reduce pollution in the entire world.